Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. We're going to do a video on the unboxing. 2 weeks ago, we did the unboxing of the new old stock Avanti Sigma 4. And in these two boxes, right here, this cylinder box and this other square box is a new old stock PDL-II. Avanti PDL-II. It was shipped to me about 2 or 3 months ago. I haven't even opened it up yet. The original box was very, very tatty, so it was packaged in these two boxes right here. We're going to go ahead and open it up, take a look at all the parts. We'll show you the parts, and that's about it. So we'll catch you in a little bit. This is N2LEN with another continued video clip. We just opened up the box. We're going to pull out the contents. This is the box 2 for the new old stock PDL. Here is the first box, and here is the second box. The original box was discarded because it was very tatty, and it looks like the actual gamma globe is actually in here. So let me go ahead and unpackage this. I'm going to put it right back in the box that it was shipped in, but I want to do this to show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so we got some tape over here. Okay, let me unpackage this and then I'll show it to you. I can't do it with two hands holding the iPhone. I'll be back. Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Here is the new old stock PDL-II. You could see this makes up the gamma globe. There are a total of 4 outside rods with this outer stem, and then 4 inside rods. There you go. And that makes up the globe. There you go. We're going to now open up the large box. We'll pull out all the elements. It's pretty heavy. Okay, we'll be back. N2LEN with another continued video clip. This was all taped up. This is the Avanti PDL-II with duct tape, and as you can see, there is a ton of bubble wrap. Looks like it was, for all the elements, it was packed very well. We're going to continue taking this apart. Okay, we'll be back. Here is the brand new old stock PDL-II-2. And this is definitely a later model. It has the antenna specialist logo and the instruction manual. It's an AV-122. Okay, so let me just show you how it's inventoried. There are 4 white fiberglass reflector elements, flat on one side, for the wiring harness, the copper wire. There are 4 aluminum elements that are the same way. There are a total of 8 inner elements that the outer elements slip into. So you have 4 for the, let's say, the director, and 4 for the fiberglass reflectors. Then you have the hub. This is the hub assembly. Okay. There are the 2 gamma rods. Let me show you what they look like so you could see. I'll bring them closer so you could see what they're taped together. Okay, regular hose clamps. I don't know if the earlier model, you know, had colored insulators. for the vertical and horizontal. They may have. And then you have your elements that I showed you before for the globe. Here is the first sealed bag of hardware, hose clamps, antenna warning for the mast. There's another warning sheet here. Hose clamps. This is a pretty heavy bag, as you could see. Here is the second sealed bag. It has 2 spools of the copper wire. It looks like 4 halves of the aluminum hubs. So let me show you what this bag looks like. There you go. I could put it in the light so you could see it a little bit better. It's a little torn open, but this is sealed. Okay. Then over here, your mast to boom bracket. Over here is the SO239 antenna bracket with your 2 SO239s. They look like they're riveted. That could be changed. And then they have eyelets that are soldered to the center for the gamma rods. I built so many of these, not anything recently, but the gammas literally go like that onto the... And then the reflector hub. Let me show you, see if I can get into a better light here. It has an Avanti patent pending. Avanti Research and Development, Addison, Illinois, patent pending. Okay. And that's basically it. So that is a entire PDL-II PDL-II Avanti antenna. This one's the later model, probably from the 90s, from Antenna Specialists. This is it looks like a photocopy that was stapled. You know, the Antenna Specialist Company, it says right on the bottom here. And here's the date, 4 of 93, 15 pages. There you go. There you go. So that's it. I'm going to pack it all back up. The only thing that we don't have here is the antenna switch box for horizontal and vertical, the Avanti switch box. But that's it for the antenna. So there you go. This is N2LEN. I believe it's January 4th or 5th, 2025, and with the unboxing of the new old stock Avanti PDL-II by Antenna Specialist, let's just say. Catch you guys later. Best 7-3.